Hello, this is the Morning Garden. I'm just here in the garden, well, the section where they sell all the vegetables and everything. And something I don't understand here. Maybe you could help me out. I want to hear your comments. All of this food in here looks interesting. I like to grow my own, you know that. And tomatoes, red. But all the food in here can be touched by other people. Do you think that will pose a problem? I'm just asking you. Some of it's in plastic, like the grapes. And there's some white grapes here. Look at the size of these grapes. Only I could grow grapes like this. They're big. And they got like watermelons. That's cool because you can actually wash the skin of this off before you eat it. Soap and water. But like this here, you can't really. They look so good though. Yellow, perfect. The farmers definitely know how to put this out. All right, this is the Morning Garden. Leave me your comments.